Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I have such a fun Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys today, and I have a huge box here to unbox. So I'm actually going to be doing this video in collaboration with a brand at Dollar Tree called Be Pure, and I'm sure if you guys shop at Dollar Tree, you've been seeing their stuff in the beauty aisle recently. They reached out to me to work together. I was so excited. It is honestly such a dream to be able to collaborate with such an amazing brand at Dollar Tree in the beauty section. You guys know Dollar Tree is like one of the main things that I post about on YouTube, and I have a whole Instagram at Dollar Tree Deli, always linked down below, where I post all my Dollar Tree finds, and I have posted many finds on there from Be Pure. So I'm going to share with you guys a bunch of their items today so you can get a feel for the brand and see what you can pick up also in the beauty section from Be Pure at Dollar Tree. Guys, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out on my videos of Dollar Tree content, affordable beauty, shop with me's hauls. So let's get on into it. I got this huge box in the mail from Be Pure. I will show you guys. Look at this. Such a cool box. And I have lots of stuff in here to share with you from Be Pure. And there's also a couple things I cannot show you guys yet. I've been sworn to secrecy. A few things from the brand that are launching later in October. So when I can share those, I will share them with you guys, and I am also so excited for you guys to see those items as well because they are so cool. You're gonna love them. So let's start off first with something you may have seen before. It is the coconut infused cosmetic swabs. These are so cool. You actually get 50 of them in here. These are just little cotton swabs that are infused with coconut oil. So I personally love using these for cleaning up my wing because I always do a signature black wing. You guys know if you watch my makeup videos, and using something like this makes it so much easier to clean that area up. I also use it to clean up before I put concealer on my eyeshadow under my eye where I usually like smudge it out. You can also use these to remove like stubborn makeup that always happens to me every day. My micellar water does not take off all my makeup, especially at the root of the lash from my mascara. So using one of these, I go in and just get at the root to really get all the black off my lashes. This is perfect for that. Just so we can get this out of the way, you guys, do not put these in your ear, okay? Don't do that. Use these only for cosmetic purposes only. Also see they have a couple other scents too. They also had like a rose scent, so definitely check out all the different scents that they have. Next up is an item that I absolutely love using. It is the Be Pure Under Eye Massager. The whole purpose of this is that it has this little cooling ball right here that rotates. So I love using this in the morning with my eye cream. It just feels so good underneath the eye. That's a very delicate area, so you want to be very sensitive with it and kind of baby the under eye, especially, you know, as we're aging. I try and be very delicate with that sensitive spot. So it helps to relieve puffiness and fatigue around your eyes. You know, like when you wake up and your eyes are just so puffy. That also happens to me. My eyes are very, very puffy in the morning. Great beauty tool that you can incorporate into your routine to just really massage your serums and your moisturizers into your skin. And then it also comes in this pretty pink color, so you have a couple options to choose from. The texturizing hair perfume. So this says it adds volume, texture, and freshness. Spritz on any time of the day or night for a fresh look and feel. So I love something like this because I like to have, especially a lot of times, well, not today because my hair I blew out straight, but most of the time my hair is in like a beach wave, or like my hair is in like those messy like waves that you after you take out your braid. So a lot of times I do like something where I can add texture into my hair or just like up the texture of it and the volume. And this is also great. It has perfume to it. You know, you can just kind of refresh. This is something I would definitely like throw into my gym bag to refresh after the gym. The scent to me, it's a little hard to describe. I would say, I don't know why, but it kind of reminds me of like a fresh smelling hotel. Like I can't pinpoint the exact fragrance of it, but it just has like kind of a fresh scent to it. Bottle is a nice size. You get 2 fluid ounces. Up, I have another new hair item from Be Pure. It's their moisturizing hair serum. I love using hair serums, especially when my hair, like today, is a little bit more straight and sleek. I really like something to work into my hair to get rid of any flyaways. Put a pea-sized amount and rub between your hands, and then distribute through your hair, starting at the ends, working up to the midsection. So I don't usually put something like this on my like roots of my hair just to avoid, you know, any sort of like greasiness. When I put too much product in my hair gets a little bit too weighed down. But looking at the ingredients, this does have coconut oil as well as olive fruit extract. It has like a fresh kind of powdery scent to it. So definitely check this out, you guys. This is great for like on the go. This is also something I would keep in my car just in case I have any flyaways or if I'm going somewhere and I want to just like touch up my hair quickly. That's why I love the sizes of these. They're perfect for travel and on the go and for like carry-ons. Another new hair product I have from Be Pure is the volumizing hair mask. So this says it adds volume and shine, and it also removes excess oil. So it says to apply a generous amount to clean, damp hair, starting from the hair and working towards the roots. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse out. This is something that like you would shampoo your hair and then you would put this hair mask on, wait 10 minutes and let it kind of sink in, and then you can wash it out. And you can also do your conditioner. So this is super cool how it says it adds volume and shine. Always looking to add like more shine to my hair. I want it to look super healthy, and I love hair masks. So this is great. I'm very excited to try this guy out and see how it works on my hair, because I have a lot of hair. So I would probably end up using this whole bottle on all my hair. I'm just kidding, I wouldn't use the whole bottle. But this is really fun new item. I'm so glad that they have new hair stuff because I love testing out new hair products. Okay, this next item is the Be Pure Smile Line Gel Patches. When I saw these in the store, because I did already see these in the store, I was so curious about these. The smile line area, if you guys don't know, is right here. And I definitely have those lines, obviously, because I like to smile. It's a natural thing to have on your skin. We all smile and laugh and stuff, so you do get like a line here from that. Sometimes you'll even notice when you're doing your makeup and you'll do your foundation, you'll kind of see that area, like the makeup can settle into it a little bit because it is a fine line. So something like this is nice to use right before you do your makeup. So it says skin appears more firm and lifted. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Skin looks visibly younger and more radiant. So this is something I was real excited to try because, you know, it's definitely an area that I want to like focus on and make sure I'm doing everything I can to make sure my skin is in tip-top shape. I'm always working on my skin every single day, so something like this is so helpful. It makes your skin look visibly younger and more radiant. It says to put them on a clean, dry face, and then you can leave them on the corner of your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes. And then you can also like pat the remaining serum into your skin. Usually with these kinds of products, there is like a lot of serum left over on the bottom, so I like to put that kind of over the rest of my face. This has water, glycerin, it has aloe, and it also has camellia leaf extract. So this is definitely something I'm excited to try. I'm glad they sent me over 2 of these because I know I'm going to be using these quite a bit, and definitely something I want to use before my makeup. So recently launched lashes, which I'm so pumped about. So this is from their Mystic collection, which you can find now in stores. This style is super voluminous, you guys. Look at those lashes, like so full and fun. These are perfect for like a Halloween look. I mean, I could also wear these every day, but what I've been doing recently is actually cutting my lashes in half. And these work perfect for that because it's shorter at the front and then it gets longer. And then I actually get more uses out of the lashes because I'm cutting them in half. So I'm using this lash for both eyes, and then this lash, I'll save it for another day. Love that these are faux mink. Faux mink is actually what I'm wearing today, and I love faux mink lashes. Like, they are just the best. Oh my gosh. So they're really nice quality. And you can see, like, when you look at these from this angle, like, they have the double layer and they're really fluffy. And it makes them look like kind of 3D and realistic. You will need to use a lash glue with these, or you can use one of the lash pens to get these on. But if you are a beginner and you're starting out, definitely try the trick where you cut them in half because it makes applying lashes so much easier, which will be coming soon, you guys. I have a whole tutorial that I will be doing using Be Pure products, so stay tuned for that. Then lastly, we have their newest lip collection, which you may have been seeing in stores. I know I saw these at my store. This is the new Mango lip collection. The lip scrubber, if you guys have not tried this yet, you have to try these, especially if you have like dry lips. I'm always exfoliating my lips and then putting over a moisturizer because I want to get off all that dead skin, especially after I apply foundation. It always gets all over my lips. So I like to use the lip scrubber from Be Pure, and I really work it in. About this is it's actually double-sided. So on one side you have the exfoliator, on the other side you have like flatter bumps, which really kind of stimulate the lips and really bring life and plump them back up. So I love that it has two different textures on each side. My lips are so much softer after I use this, and it's just like an easy way to make your lips look a little bit more plump and juicy and prepare your lips for your next lip product. And then in conjunction with the lip scrubber, I love to use the Mango Lip Sugar Scrub. So they have had, I think it was a mint one, and now they came out with this new line. So what I like to do is I rub this all over my lips, and then I go in with the lip scrubber to really work the granules into my lips. I have shea butter and mango seed oil to moisturize the lips. I have sugar, mango seed butter, as well as shea butter to really moisturize your lips. So I love this because it just really makes your lips so soft and super juicy. And then after I put this on, I go in with the next product in the collection, which is the Mango Lip Oil. So this is also mango scented, and it has mango seed oil. After you have scrubbed your lips, you're gonna wanna put a moisturizer on. And that's where this next product in the line comes in. So this is the mango scented lip oil from Be Pure. And this does have mango seed oil in it as well as shea butter. So it's going to really moisturize your lips super nicely, and it's going to be so great after you scrub your lips because you're going to have this like relief of putting the moisturizer on. So it's just like a really fun routine that I like to do to prep my lips for lipstick. You guys, it smells so good. I'm going to put a little bit on top of my lipstick. It smells so juicy, you guys. Okay, and that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my Be Pure Dollar Tree haul, and thank you so much to Be Pure for sponsoring me and working with me on this video. Awesome, like I was saying before, that I get to work with a brand that I love from Dollar Tree and show you guys more of their products. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have a favorite item from Be Pure. Definitely head to your local Dollar Trees and see what Be Pure items you can find. You should be able to find all of these items now at your stores. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!